Alright, tech fam, let's cut right to the chase. The OnePlus Pad 4 is here and the specs? Honestly, they're wild. Launched just days ago and already on sale in India, this tablet goes straight for that iPad Pro crown. At its heart? The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which OnePlus claims is the world's fastest mobile CPU. Paired with either 8 or 12 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM, and storage options up to 512 gigs, you're not gonna run out of space or speed anytime soon. Now multitaskers, listen up. If you grab the 12GB version, you can float up to 5 windows at once. Perfect for juggling notes, socials, and streaming all at the same time. The 8GB model, still solid but limited to 2 floating windows. The display is a stunner, a massive 13.2-inch 3.4K true color LCD with a 144Hz adaptive refresh rate. Translation? Everything looks buttery smooth, from scrolling to gaming. And if you're into audio, the 8-speaker setup with Dolby Vision and Atmos support absolutely fills the room. But let's talk battery life, because the Pad 4 packs a jaw-dropping 13,200 mAh, the biggest ever in a OnePlus device. With 80W Super VooC fast charging, you'll be back at 100% in no time. The ultra-slim metal body keeps it looking premium, even though it weighs a hair over 670 grams. Camera-wise, you get a 13MP rear shooter with 4K video and an 8MP wide-angle selfie cam, solid for video calls and quick snaps. Connectivity? Top-tier Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, USB 3.2, but here's the catch, biometrics are face unlock only. If you're a fingerprint sensor fan, you might be a little disappointed. Price? Starts at around $715 for the base, $775 for the maxed out version. The new Stylo Pro stylus and redesigned smart keyboard are extra, but they look slick if you're all about productivity. So, is the OnePlus Pad 4 the ultimate Android tablet? For battery, display, and power, it's a beast, but its size and lack of a fingerprint scanner mean it won't be perfect for everyone.